Hello everyone, this time we will be looking at questions on inequalities, how to solve quadratic and higher polynomials, okay. So let's take an example here. Say we have y as x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x plus 3, okay. And we need to figure out the solution for y greater than 0 equal to. So the method is, we will quickly plot the roots. So the roots here are 1, 2 and negative 3. Now, if I have a value of x which is greater than 2, terms are positive because terms of x are also positive. So here the value of y is positive. Between 1 and 2, x minus 1 and x plus 3 will remain positive. This will change sign to a negative. So the product will become negative and this will keep on alternating like this, giving us a curve like this. Since we are looking at y positive, so we have this and this. This is positive, this is negative, sorry. Yeah, now it is fine. So, yeah, so positive, negative, positive, negative. So we have these two regions. So my solution would be x greater than or equal to 2 or x less than equal to 1 greater than or equal to minus 3. Now take a slightly more complicated form. Say if I have x minus 1 squared times x minus 2 upon x plus 3. So now what we will do here, we will treat as if this is multiplied on this side, it's not divided, okay. Let's say we are solving for y greater than equal to 0, same as the last one, okay. Now why can we just assume as if they are multiplied? The logic is, see, if I had a upon b versus a multiplied with b. So if a by b, like here, has to be positive, possibilities are positive and positive or negative and negative. When I am looking at a times b as positive, it's again the same, positive and positive, negative and negative. So that means the solutions for this or for this are the same. So here if I treat it as if it is the same, so we will proceed with the same method. The roots are negative 3, 1 and 2. Plugging in values again, this side it will be positive. Here between 1 and 2 it will be negative. Now if I plug in a value between 1 and negative 3, now see what's going to happen. Both of these two are going to change sign to negative. This will become negative, so will this, but this is squared, right, even power. So this is always positive. So we have a negative and a positive, so it will remain negative. And here it will change to positive. Since we are looking at positive side, my solution will now become y greater than or equal to 2 or, sorry, x, we are solving for x greater than or equal to 2 or x less than or equal to minus 3. Now since x plus 3 is in the denominator, we need to be careful that the denominator can't be 0. So we will drop that minus 3 and finally the answer will simply be x less than minus 3. So this is the solution and this is the process we need to follow. So let us take one last example on this. So we have p squared equals q plus 3 times q minus 2 divided by q minus 1 and it's given that p is non-zero. Now so if it is non-zero, the square of any number will always be positive. So we are basically solving for q plus 3 times q minus 2 upon q minus 1 to be positive. We plot the roots are 1, 2 and negative 3. The signs, here it is positive, there are no even powers, so it will just keep alternating like this. We are looking for greater than 0, so we will pick these two. So the solution would be q greater than 2 or q between 1 and negative 3. So greater than 2 or between 1 and negative 3, the answer is the third option. I hope this was clear. Thanks for watching.